Okay, one more in this section before moving on. This will be a simple one, I promise. What we want here is to understand how to select fields or records that have missing data. So let's say we want to clean up our data and make sure every record is complete. Let's say that some of our employees, we forgot to add gender in when we were recording them. So I simply want a query that returns anybody who has missing data in the gender field. So over here to access, create SQL view. All right, select. Doesn't say what to select, so I'm going to bring back everything. Select all from employee. Where, and this is pretty straightforward, gender, and we use the keywords, is not null. Oh, I'm sorry, no. This is what we would use if we wanted anybody who has a value. So where null means empty or blank. And in access, null is the same as empty. In other database systems, it's actually not the same. So null is a very specific term that refers to a state of a field when there's never been data entered into it. You could enter data and then delete it, and that would be blank or empty, which is different from null. For now, we won't worry about that distinction. We'll just do it this way. We'll say we're gender, and we want those where actually, not where it's not null, but where gender is null, meaning that it hasn't been entered. So run that. Looks like we just have one person where gender is null. Now